Hello there. In this video, we will show you an RPA process developed by Robusta RPA tool. In this automation process, we will open an e-commerce website and scrap the prices of the listed products to an Excel file using scrap activity. As you can see, Amazon website is opened. The product to be searched for is selected, the price range is set between $200 and $500, and the results are filtered. After the results are listed, the scrap feature started working. Using the scrap feature, we can get the data we want from the table structure at once, and we can extract data on the pages to an Excel file or in the format we specify. Our process is completed now. As you can see, price information of the products is saved in an Excel file. Hope to see you in other videos.